In my last video, I talked about this shiny golden jacket and how basically it means that you have all 12 AWS certifications. But how do you actually get one once you have those certs? Basically, you have to be connected to AWS in some kind of meaningful way. One way is to be part of the AWS Ambassador Program. To be part of this program, you'd have to work for a partner of AWS and also have multiple advanced certifications, as well as contribute meaningfully to the community through things like blog posts, hosting meetups, pushing to open source communities, and things like that. It's a great group to be a part of. That's the way I got mine. Another group is also the AWS Community Builders, which is another great group that I'm a part of as well. And this one is not gated by being an AWS partner. So if you are passionate about contributing to the community and teaching others and being part of others' teaching, this is a great community to be a part of. And they have open enrollment about once a year. So check out their website for more info. If you know somebody inside AWS, you may also be able to get a jacket that way, but the methodology isn't really disclosed, so you're kind of on your own on that one. So let's talk a little bit about my journey and these exams themselves. I started on this about 6 years ago. Starting my whole cloud journey, I began with the Cloud Practitioner exam, followed 2 weeks after right by the Solution Architect Associate. So the practitioner is more vocabulary than anything else. You need to know how to speak AWS, know what all the services mean, know a little bit about kind of like the financial side of things, and it's a great entry level to learn your way. When you step into the associate area, these all start to be scenario-based questions. They're a bit more difficult and they're more specialized. The AI Practitioner exam goes a little deeper than Cloud Practitioner. Where Cloud Practitioner is more wide, AI Practitioner is focused more on knowing, of course, all the ins and outs of AWS AI. There's no scenarios there, like a lot of problem solving, but you really need to have a bit of depth there. So definitely want to prepare for if you're interested in that. Now, Solution Architect Professional has a reputation as being one of the hardest exams in tech. I'd have to agree. DevOps Engineer is also similar. These are really long, really challenging, large scenario questions with lots of complexity and ambiguity. And then the specialty exams are also pretty deep, also very challenging, and they're a touch less punishing than the professional exams, but they'll also give you a pretty good challenge on their own, especially if you're not as familiar with the subject matter. Then you really do need to dig in and really learn, whether it's security or ML or networking. So that's it. Now you know about the Golden Jacket. It took me 6 years, a lot of work, a lot of study, but it's something that I thought was impossible, and until I saw other people get it, I realized how possible it was. And I really challenged myself, and I know that you there watching can do the same thing. Whether you want to get one certification or all 12, it's totally within your reach. For more tips, check out the videos on my channel. And good luck.